have the opportunity to work with people from all around the globe. I have colleagues in the US, in Latin America, and in India.
So you're not just making stuff that's going to be on a shelf for a few years, it's actually getting used.
I was able to build connections and gain hands-on experience of the STEP platform and, shadow several different projects.
Able to just hop right in and do meaningful work and contribute to several teams.
I have got the opportunity to form and to moderate the program myself.
The client list is amazing. There's some really top-notch companies on there.
I was given accounts to own and start working with.
You will work in a global team, in a multicultural environment.
There's the flexibility.
It's a good environment for learning. You can choose your own teams.
I've most definitely been able to exercise my creativity and creative ideas.
And develop your skills within IT, business and innovation.
If you want a graduate program that really can accelerate your career, join Stibo's.
That is good.